So I'm going to need to unscrew everything that is connected to the battery. And so the battery has this little like black lining around every screw that I will need to unscrew. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna make sure to be careful with this wire here that's connected. While unscrewing this, you are probably gonna need a pair of tweezers to pick up the screw because it is very tiny. There it is. So you can actually get these from the dollar store as well. So this just lifted right up. You want to make sure that you do not touch this stuff here or get dust on it or water or whatever. But one of the things I noticed is that the battery was bulged more than I had thought. So it is a good thing that we removed this. You also want to check to make sure there's no leakage in the battery. I have now placed the new battery down, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. I just need to put the screws back in and then plug this thing back into here. Okay, so now that everything is screwed in and I have plugged this wire back in and looped it through and everything, I am going to see if this turns on. It turns on. So now that I've tested out the computer and checked the health of this new battery, I'm gonna go ahead and clean off these CPU fans. As you can see, they are fairly dusty. So what I'm gonna use is just a tissue that is lint-free. You can also add some isopropyl alcohol to it, but you just wanna gently wipe them off and then get as much dust off as you can. I'm just going to do that before sealing it back up. One thing you may notice is that the screws may not go in properly sometimes, and if that is happening, that means that you just need to pop the case back on.